So hello guys, welcome to today's video. In this video I'm going to review to you a brand new AI that I just found. Trust me, this AI has been delivering a lot of quality content to me, and I will be sharing with you a step-by-step guide on how you can sign up for this AI and also start using it to create your blog post. So since the release of AI, I've been more focused on using AI to create my content rather than always brainstorming, because I'm always busy with a lot of work. So if you're someone who is really busy and then but you still need to put out content on your website, then trust me, the best option to use here will be using AI to help you create those content. And trust me, as much as there are a lot of videos out there condemning AI, not all AIs are actually bad. There are some AIs that will actually give you some great content even without you being able to put out a great prompt out there. So without further ado, I say if you are new here, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Check the link down in the description to join my Telegram channel, where you can also answer any questions of your choice. So with that already said, let's get straight into today's video. Let me show you how you can sign up for this AI and start using it. So the name of this AI is actually called Gravity Write. So Gravity Write is one of the latest AI that has been just released of recent. Trust me, this AI has been delivering a lot of great content since it released, and I'm really loving this AI. And with this AI, there are a lot of things you can actually do with it to help you get exactly what you want out of any sort of content. So for example, once you simply come over here, so the URL will be down in this video description. In case you don't get it, you can simply search for Gravity Write. Simply search for Gravity Write, and then you are going to get it. And then once you see it, simply hit on it, and then it will take you to their official website. That's simply it. So now once you come onto their website, the first thing you need to do is you need to sign up. So now before you sign up to this AI, here are some things you need to know about this AI. Let's get over to the pricing. So this AI actually have both free and paid method. So you can see the free method, the free plan, both free and paid plan. Sorry, you can see the free plan here actually gives you up to 2,000 words per month, 80 plus writing templates, 30 plus languages, and limited tones, products, and support. Meanwhile, if you need full access, then you can go for the starter plan, which starts at $19 per month. That is 1,499 Indian rupee probably. And then you have access to 50,000 words per month, 80 plus writing to copywriting framework, exclusive tools, and a lot more. If you even need way more tools, then you can simply go for the higher plan, which literally costs $79 US, and this is bid on monthly basis. If you want it yearly basis, then the prices will be reduced for you to get it at a cheaper rate. So without further ado, now let's get straight and see how we can start using the free version. So to start using the free version, you can click on this button here, that's a start for free, or simply hit on try for free option over here. So I'll just hit on start for free in this particular video. So once I hit on now, you can sign up using your Google account or simply your name or your email. So for me, let me just enter my name. I'm Gode. And then my email address, I'll be using a different email totally. Okay, let me just open up my clipboard. Okay, so this is the email I want to use. Then after I fill in your name and email, simply hit on create account. Let me go back. So once you hit on insert your name, your email, then simply enter your password, and your password should contain 8 characters or more. So let me just type my password. After that, I'll hit on create account. So as I said, we have sent verification to your inbox. Please click in the link to access Gravity Writer. So now what I simply do, I'm simply going to verify my email. So the email I use is not logged in on my computer, it's logged in on my phone. So I'm just going to confirm it on my phone and then come over and continue. So I've actually clicked the link on my phone and I'm waiting for it to actually complete the verification phase so I can log in over here. So whilst waiting for this AI, in case you don't know and you need to blogging, need to learn more about blogging, you can actually contact me on Instagram. My contact details will be down in this video description, and I'll take you through a step-by-step guide on how you can start a profitable blog. Because here's my personal blog. Everything I share with you on this channel are things that I've put to test and make sure that they are working well before I share them with you over here. Here's my personal blog called perestech.com. This is where I share anything that has to do with blogging, affiliate marketing, or SEO, search engine optimization. So you can come over to this website and learn more, as there are a lot of content out there. So I haven't been feeling well for some time, so I haven't been able to put out some content on my website, but still there's still new content coming out almost every week, so you can come and check out the website over here. And in case you need any of my personal services, you can simply click here, our services, and then you get my contact details to contact me either on Instagram or through email. So that aside, coming back to the video, as I've already done confirming on my mobile device, so I'm just going to sign in into my account over here. So now they say your email verified successfully. Now you can explore. So now I believe I've already signed in. So all I'll simply do here is simply enter my details and then log in. So come over here and then enter my password and then hit on login. So it's showing page expire. Once you see this, kindly refresh the web page and then go back to the login page again. Now make sure your internet connection is on and then refresh. So this is something that you are likely to face on this website when you are signing up at first, and after that you are not going to face it again. So now there are a lot of things you can actually do with this AI. And first, as in this video I said, I'll be taking you through the blog post generator, so that's what we will be mainly focusing on. However, there are a lot of tools that I'm going to walk you through on this particular AI, so you get to know more about the AI. So if you come over here, we have the blog tools. The blog tools, we have the blog title generator, blog outline, blog content, and the blog content calendar, image brief for blog, hidden fact finder, and then we have a lot of features in here. And you can even come over to this tab here and then choose if you need advertisement to blog tools. So there are a lot of tools you can actually pick over here. You have the SEO tools, social media tools, website content tools. So this website is actually a great website, and if you have the money, I'll advise you upgrade to the premium plan. However, in this video I'll be using the free plan to actually show you everything. So for example, you want to create a blog post. The first thing is, let's start with the topic. So what is the focus or niche of your blog? So here now you need to enter, assuming if you are in health niche, you simply put in here health niche. Just say please specify your blog niche. So I'll just put digital marketing and online business, and then hit on create content. Now it's going to help you generate some good blog topics that I can actually use. You can see keyword, digital marketing basics, and then so not all of this might be suitable for a blog like yours. So the best thing here is simply looking out for things that will work best for a website like yours and then focusing more on it. So you can simply hit here for it to stop right here, or simply let it continue so it gives you more idea on things you actually need to do. So for me, I'm just going to hit on stop writing. So now you can simply look around here and then you can see that it has been broken down for a keyword, suggested blog title, and the intent. So you can see that this tool is actually so detailed to the extent that it gets to tell you the keyword, intent, and everything related. So for here, one of the titles actually got my idea, which is top 10 essential tips for improving content marketing. So this one I'm actually going to write about. But before going on to actually write about this, the first thing you need to do is take a look at the awareness, because when you use the AI to generate, you need to also go through to make sure that it aligns with the awareness. So with that at the side, let's just take one of these titles as an example. Now I'm just going to, okay, so you can roll it up. Since I don't want to roll it up, let me just copy it. So simply hit on copy and you have it over there, or you can simply use your normal desktop system and then write, then Ctrl C, then you know that you've copied it already. So now this is simply the first method here. Now you have it over here as your whether content calendar or something that you need to follow if you want to put out more content out there. So you can simply download it using that button. I'm just going to save this down. So now after generating your title here, because you know that you've inserted the suggested keyword and then they've given you the suggested title and everything. So the next thing is to create content with it. So before you create content with it, make sure you look at your keyword here, which is content marketing tips, and then your this thing intent, which is decision making. So for that, simply come over here and then come over to blog outline. So we're actually going to use the blog outline. So now let's see how it actually goes, because I want you to actually see everything. That's why I'm using my free account to actually do this tutorial for you, because if I should use my paid account right now, it will look as if I'm using a premium feature that is more advanced than what you're actually going to get. So now after generating the title, now you come over to where you actually generate outline, because the outline is what will help you make sure that you are generating the right blog post, so that you don't go and generate what Google is actually going to flag out there, to make sure that your outline actually correspond with your article itself. So simply paste in the title you copied. You remember I copied this title, which is 10 essential tips for improving your content marketing. Then you can come over here to more setting and then switch the language to any language of your choice. For me, I'm using English, so I'm just going to keep that English, and after that hit on create content. Now just give it some few seconds and it will start generating all the content you requested for here. So you just have to give it some few minutes. So now there are literally two things you can do from here. The first one is simply copying all of this outline and then going on to write the content yourself manually, or simply letting this AI also write it for you. And what we want is that letting this AI to actually helping us with it. So the first thing, I'm going to download it as a TXT file. I like saving it down so that when I want to update my article, I know where to start from and where to end from. So let me just close that. And then after that, now you have your article outline. Simply copy it. Copy your article outline. And then now you have a lot of options here. You have the blog content writer. Here you enter your topic, enter your outline, then it will start generating. You have your advanced blog post generator. What's your blog title? Enter minimum words. Who is your target audience? Enter focus keyword. So there are a lot of options in which you can actually use to generate your content. You also have the SEO optimized blog post writer. Here simply enter your focus keyword. What are the keywords you want to incorporate into your blog post? You input them here, or you can simply use the human written blog post. So there are a lot of different options that these two actually offer. So over here, you simply enter your what is your blog title. So for all of this, all I simply want you to use is come over to where it says blog content. So come over to blog content, enter your blog post outline here, enter your outline, and then also enter your title here. So for that, let me use Windows V and then enter my title. After, you can come over here again. You can set your tone to friendly or anyone. I like going for conversational, so let me look for it. Conversational. So okay, these two actually lack the conversational one, so let me go for friendly or professional. Let me just go for friendly. And then after that, your language, you also choose which language you want to use. After that, simply hit on create content. Now this AI will start generating the content for you. You simply have to give it some few time and then it will start working. So you can see what this AI is literally generating all the blog posts for you by breaking them from headline to headline. And this is why I say this AI actually beats ChatGPT. Trust me, this AI way more beat ChatGPT when it comes to your content arrangement, how you format your blog posts, everything regarding to your blog posts. When it comes to this AI, trust me, it beats ChatGPT. So there's nothing wrong in you actually upgrading to their premium plan if you actually need more benefit from this. So I advise you upgrade to their premium plan. Trust me, this is one of the best content writing AIs that I've actually seen. So you can see in our latest video, there is a certain video I published a few weeks ago that I've actually shown you a step-by-step guide on how you can actually detect your content to make sure that they don't sound 100% AI. And that video will actually tell you how to do it manually and how you can use a different AI tool to also scan to know if your content is AI written or not, so that you don't go and publish AI detectable content on Google. Because when you publish them on Google and Google notices that there's more AI in that particular content, more AI written words in that particular content, they are likely to flag it and they punish you for it without letting you know. That's why you need to watch this video I'm about showing to you right now, and I'll be tagging the video down in this comment section as well. You can check it out. You can see this is the video here, viral AI blogging tips, how to write a blog using AI. So you need to go and watch this video. This video will take you through a step-by-step guide on how you can actually use AI the right way to make sure that you are not using AI to generate 100% detectable content. Trust me, no matter how professional any AI you are using out there, despite how good this AI is, how I've actually ranked this AI one of the best when it comes to any content writing AI, trust me, there's still some little flag that you might actually come across within using this AI, and that's why you need to watch this video to make sure that you're getting all you need to actually create a better content. So that's simply all about this video, and I hope you learned all you need about this video. So don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like this video, and then you can come and try this AI yourself and then try the other options yourself. But if you need me to create a video on how you can actually use all the remaining tools in this AI, then don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like this video, join my Telegram channel, and then you can ask me any sort of content idea at all you feel like answering me. So with that already said, I believe you've already gotten all you need. Have a nice day. You can see this simply the content we got with this AI. You can see how long and detailed the content is. Trust me, this AI is one of the best you will actually come across when it comes to creating content, and I hope you see it. So if you need more information on how you can actually create more valuable content with this AI, then you can ask me in the comment section. I'll probably smash that subscribe button so that you get free access to me anytime you want. So that already said, have a nice day. Bye.